guys, welcome back to my channel. For this first look, I'm going to start off by taking this white makeup crayon that you can get at any Halloween store, and I'm just going to start outlining where I want the skull to start. I am then going to take some white cream face makeup that I also got from the Halloween store, and I'm just going to start filling in the whole bottom half of my face. Once I'm done filling in my face with the white paint, I'm going to go in with some black eyeliner and start drawing out what's going to be the nose. You can use paint or a makeup crayon for this, but I actually prefer to use black eyeliner just because it stays matte and it doesn't smear. Next, I'm going to line the top of my skull right under the eyes with that same black eyeliner. Sorry it keeps going out of focus, but this part is pretty self-explanatory. Then I'm just going to kind of fill in the center of my lips with that same black eyeliner. And then I'm going to start sketching out the lines where my teeth are eventually going to go. Now this part doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to be going in and filling it in with where we want our teeth to be. I'm then going to draw a line from each side of my mouth, which is going to be where the rest of my teeth are going to sit. And I'm just going to darken up those lines. Then I'm going to start drawing out and shaping where I want the cheekbone and the jawbone to be. And I'm just going to start shading that in with the eyeliner and using some black eyeshadow. I'm then going to take a small brush and go in with some black eyeshadow to start creating some shadows under my eyes and under the jawbone. And here's the most tricky part of the whole look. This is when I'm going to start actually shaping where I want my teeth to be. And I'm just taking some black eyeliner and outlining the teeth. And as you can see, once you have the teeth done, that's really when the look starts all coming together. I'm then going to create some cracks on my chin, just using some of that black eyeliner. And for the last step, I'm just going in with that white paint and fixing up any smudges or smears in the teeth. And that is it for the finished half skull look. Now moving on to look number 2. Starting off this look, I already have my makeup on. I'm just going to go in with some brown eyeshadow and start filling that in under my eyes. You actually want it to look like you have bags under your eyes, just to give it more of that dead effect. So yeah, you're just going to fill that in all under your eyes. And I'm just going to be adding a little bit of sparkle in the inner corners of my eyes. Then taking that same makeup crayon from the Halloween store, but in the color black, I'm just going to start drawing out the shapes that I want on my forehead. You can really draw any shape that you want. I just went with these. And I'm just going to start filling them in. After that, I'm just going to draw 2 little lines just to add some more decoration into the look. I am then going to use the white and black crayon just to add the dots over my eyebrows. Next, I'm just going to take some black kohl liner and start shaping and filling in the nose. I'm then going to take some white paint and just add a little dot on the end just to make it look a little bit more realistic. And I'm going to line my Cupid's bow using that white makeup crayon. Next, I'm going to go in with some black liquid liner and just start lining the mouth. I'm going to take the black crayon and start drawing out where I want my cheekbones to be. And then I'm just going to do the same with the white crayon on top. I'm then going to take some of that brown eyeshadow and then just start shading underneath the cheekbone, just to make it look a little bit more hollow. And then I'm also going to be adding dots on top of that. Then I'm going to be going in with that same black kohl eyeliner and just adding a shape on my chin. I don't even know what shape this is. You can really do any shape that you want. And then just add anything extra that you want to make it look a little bit more dramatic. And then I also decided to put in some crazy colored contacts. And then you are finished with your second look.